Thank you very much. And I want you to remember, Saba, my career can always serve as a cautionary tale of what not to do. So, unlike our guest Toly here, Toly is a distinguished member of the technical staff and R&D at Zebra Technologies, and he brings deep experience, and so I'm fascinated and really happy to be talking to him today. He developed the first smart camera for industrial uses back in the 1990s. He was involved in a number of startups. And I think actually, instead of kind of me nattering on about your bio, I think maybe a great way to start, I'm a history guy. One of the books that I did was a history book. I often think the best way to, before you talk about where we are now, we should talk about how we got here. So Toly, maybe you can tell us a little bit about the history of barcode scanning at retail, and while you're at it, you can weave some of your career into it. So.
All right, so I'm sure that every one of us has had, and still does every day almost, experience shopping and using our products. You may not be realizing that you're using Zebra products per se, but I'm sure you've seen our products and use our products in shopping every day. Barcode scanning is a ubiquitous technology. It's been everywhere. It started as a essentially replacement for the keyboard typing thing back in the late 70s as barcodes started to come up. And for the most part, and back in those days, all the barcode scanners were laser scanners. In other words, they were using laser as an instrument to measure the light reflectance off of the object of the barcode. So the white spaces would reflect more, the black spaces would reflect less, and that's how the barcodes were decoded. Up to this day, the UPC barcode is the barcode that every products are using as to identify them, and you pick up the items in any store essentially. You go to the cash register, they scan the barcode, this UPC barcode, and it was all laser scanners, all 1D lasers back in those days. Now in the late 1980s, early 1990s, two-dimensional symbology started to come up. One of the very first two-dimensional symbology that was developed was PDF symbology, which if you look at the back of your driver license, if you're in the United States, you look at the back of your driver license, you see this PDF symbology. Car registration cards have PDF symbology nowadays. It was, by the way, developed by the company called Symbol Technologies, which is now part of Zebra.
Okay. All roads lead to Zebra.